right, thank you for joining me. We put the mobile woodshop into action. Our church had a men's retreat this last weekend, which I was lucky to participate in, and we made some knives up there through the mobile woodshop. And as you see, we were kind of quote unquote off the grid for this one, and I was able to use the generator to supply all of our power needs for this whole thing. So you can see I'm not doing this isn't a how-to video or anything like that. You see here we were off the grid, so to speak. There's a cabin there, but we did not use power from that. Had the generator set up and just kind of wanted to make sure that we could do that. This is our test run, or our inaugural run with the mobile woodshop trailer. And as you can see, it went well. Learned some things, but this is kind of a big project with the knife making, and showed some friends up there how to make some knives with the scales and the knife blanks that I have used before in the past, if you checked out those other videos. But we were able to use all of the equipment, the drill press, as you see, sanders, the drill, the scroll saw, all of that stuff. And like I said, we were in nature. We were just kind of enjoying some time away from hectic life, and some time up in the mountains, and spent some time kind of having good conversations and everything, putting some putting some knives together and talking to each other. We didn't get it all done during the day just because of the schedule that we were working with, and we used the inside of the trailer during the night, and as you see, we have it illuminated pretty well there. You can please forgive the crudeness of the video. Out of all of the things I was packing, and I forgot my camera equipment of all things. So that's why this video is all shot on my phone. So as you can see, it is night out there, and we were able to make this work. So thank you for everybody who participated, and thank you for watching. And as always, you can check us out at thefightwithdepression.com to see what we are up to next. And until next time, God bless.